welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm back with a super fun video. I'm gonna be doing a winter vlog, specifically romanticizing the winter season. Personally, winter is not one of my favorite seasons. I don't like the cold weather. I don't like the dark, gloomy days. Honestly, who does? I saw a couple people that I'm subscribed to do this video. I thought it'd be super fun to film. Kind of finding the good and fun things about winter, making the best of the winter season. Also kind of like living like my Pinterest board, like Pinterest outfits. Like I'm gonna be making like some Pinterest type meals and desserts. Kind of like making the winter season Pinteresty and fun and aesthetic. Make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Comment your favorite thing about the winter season. And let's just get into it. I just got ready for the day. I feel like winter is perfect for taking some extra time to get ready, curl your hair, do your makeup. Summer is nice to just kind of get up and go. More natural makeup, more natural hair. Love the winter to just kind of spend that extra time to get ready. I also picked out a cute kind of Pinterest inspired outfit. Winter fashion is definitely the best. Like I always complain about the cold weather, but I honestly do love winter fashion. You have all the layers and scarves and accessories. I just kind of put a little outfit together. I have this scarf from Jerf Avenue, which I am obsessed with at the moment. This kind of basic tee, which is also from Jerf Avenue. It's very similar to like the Skims tees. I just have this oversized leather jacket from Princess Polly. The winter is just perfect for like cozy, warm, comfy outfits like Uggs, chunky sweaters, sweatshirts, or just like cute like leather jackets and like layered looks. I feel like you can just have so much more fun with your outfits. That is one thing from the start that I just love about winter. We got some coffee. I got a grande iced vanilla latte because they were out of both the sugar cookie latte and the pumpkin spice. I mean, it is January, so it's not the holiday or fall season anymore. Just got an iced vanilla. Oh, and Lauren got the pink drink. We did get iced drinks, even though it's like winter, and I feel like winter is kind of better for hot drinks, but I'm just like such an iced drink person.
Make yourself feel like it's summer by getting a cold drink.
Yeah, true. I feel like the winter season is great to just kind of like treat yourself, get out of the house. I mean, I do that a little bit too much, honestly. We also got some McDonald's breakfast. It's kind of like our tradition. Every time Lauren is in town for like Christmas break or whatever, we always go and get McDonald's breakfast. So a nice warm breakfast is also great for the winter time. Little hash browns. So we're gonna enjoy our breakfast, and then I think we're gonna go shopping. Something that's great to do in the winter is kind of like replace your closet essentials. Lauren and I were talking the other day about how all of our bras are like so old. I feel like the winter is a good time to just kind of like go through your closet and declutter and kind of clean. I need to have a big cleaning day. I'm actually gonna post a video probably in the next couple weeks decluttering like everything in my apartment, just going through my drawers of makeup, my bathroom drawers, my candles, and just really decluttering everything, and especially like socks and bras and stuff like that, to just kind of go through them. That's something that I definitely forget about. We're actually gonna go to Victoria's Secret and get some new bras, and also just kind of run some errands, go to like Target and stuff like that. So just kind of have like a little shopping day and replace some of our closet essentials. I just feel like that is a great thing to do at least like once a year. So the new year and the winter is a great time to do that. It is a little bit later. We've been doing some shopping.
Target haul. I got the Dr. Teal's body oil and spearmint and eucalyptus. Just a nice little essential oil. Target apparently has free samples now. We snagged one for each. Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile bar soap, which we might use vloggy thingy. We might use for soap brows.
We went to Victoria's Secret and Lauren had a coupon.
Ladies, get yourself a Love Cloud. They're so soft and they're seamless.
And they have crisscross straps if you have a tank top.
And yeah, you can just take this bad boy and wow.
I feel like a fresh new bra is great for the new year, for a new season. Lauren swears by that bra, so I haven't bought a new bra in a while, so I thought that would be a great thing. Now I'm gonna take a quick little picture for Instagram and then probably head home. We're actually gonna make a soup tonight. It's like a cheesy potato bacon soup. That just sounds so good. Something I love about the winter and the cold weather is like warm comfort meals. Lauren is a big soup gal.
I have a TikTok about soup.
So we're gonna make that soup, and then also like these little like Reese's dessert bars, and then also just kind of get cozy, watch some TV, watch a movie. We've been watching Downton Abbey. I've already seen Downton Abbey, but Lauren is kind of like binging it right now. It's like the perfect comfort show, to be honest. It is a little bit later, quite a bit later actually. It's literally midnight. I just wanted to end off this vlog with a little self-care. I feel like winter is perfect to kind of take some time to pamper yourself. Something I love to do in the winter and really all year round is fake tan, especially in the winter when I'm feeling a little bit pasty and maybe just like not as confident. Love the Loving Tan 2 Hour Express Deluxe Bronzing Mousse. I was gonna touch up my fake tan tonight because tan is just not looking very good right now, but I'm so tired and I just kind of want to go to bed. I feel like fake tan just kind of gives me a confidence boost, especially in the winter when I just don't have the same kind of glow that I do in the summer. So I'll show you like a little before and after of my fake tan if I end up doing it tonight. I also have a whole entire self-tanning routine on my channel. That here if you guys want to check it out. I'm just going to take my makeup off and do kind of like my basic skincare routine. My makeup is off, skincare is done. I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did. Comment below your favorite thing about winter. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. And thank you so much for watching. Comment this emoji if you see it until this point in the video. And I will see you in a couple days for my next video. Bye.